Hello, I'm here to help. What would you like to work on today? Feel free to tell me about any task or question you have.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Ready to help with whatever you need. How are you?
Not too bad. I'm actually looking to do a quick demo of Forge so that we can show the good folks over at XAI how we're making use of various grok models, including voice, inside Forge.
Oh, wonderful. I'm glad you're putting Forge to work with the Grok models. Would you like to create a quick demo project or job to showcase the voice features and Grok integration? I can help set that up right away and guide you through the process.
That would be amazing. Let's do that.
Great. Let's create a quick job for this demo. It's perfect. I've just created the job for this demo, and we're now in the right context. What would you like to include in this demo? I can help add tasks, create a quick plan, or start by documenting how we're using Grok models and the voice interface inside Forge.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's do it that way.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. Would you like me to create a quick plan with a few tasks to demonstrate the different Grok models and the voice interface? I can draft that for you to review.
Yes, please. That'd be great.
Thanks. I'll put together a quick plan for this demo. Sorry, I can't save a plan yet. We're still in the description stage. Let me first ask, what specific parts of the Grok models and voice interface would you like to highlight in this demo? For example, real-time conversation, different model capabilities, or how they work together?
Mostly just the interaction with voice and how you're able to use your various tools to navigate through the system and to delegate tasks. So, why don't we do a real quick task where you will guide us to get various text agents to write a blog article about Forge.
Thanks. That's a perfect way to showcase the voice interaction and delegation. Once we're set up, I can guide you through delegating the blog writing task to a text agent.
Yep,
Does the article
let's
need
do it.
Great. I'll update the job description to include this demo scenario. I've updated the job description with the details you shared. Next, would you like me to add this as a task to the job so we can demonstrate how I delegate it to a text agent? Once it's
Sure.
added, thanks. I'll add the task now. Perfect. The task has been added with ID task-001. Now, to demonstrate the delegation, I can hand this off to a text agent who will actually write the blog article. I
Well,
see. The
actually, um, why don't we go to the quick plan?
Sure. Let's set up a quick plan for the job. Once you're there, you can review the task we added and approve a quick plan that includes it. Then I'll be able to delegate the blog article task to a text agent for you to see the full workflow.
I know I can advance the stage there, but just to show the guys at XAI, can you forward us over to the quick plan stage, please?
Sure, I'd be happy to advance the job to the quick plan stage. Great. I've advanced the job to the quick plan stage. You should now see the quick plan section where we can add more tasks if needed and approve the
All
plan.
right. Now, can you
Once
make a quick plan? And let's make it 3 tasks just to make it short for the guys at XAI so they don't have to watch too much of this. And can the first task be a research task and planning? So, research and planning. The second task being the actual blog. And then the third task being a task to spawn an image agent so that they can create a image that represents what's written in the blog.
got it. I'll create a quick 3 task plan. Here's the 3 task plan I'll save for you. First, a research and planning task, then writing
Yep,
the
go
actual
for it.
blog, and
No, sorry, I said yeah,
sure,
go for it.
here, no worries at all. Thanks for clarifying. I've saved the full 3 task quick plan for you to review. Once you approve it there, the tasks will be created, and I can show you how to delegate the blog writing to a text agent. Let me know
Well,
when you're.
I've already approved it, so can you delegate that for me now?
Thanks. I'll check the status and delegate the first task. Great. The plan's been approved, and I can see the 3 tasks. Would you like me to delegate the first task, the
Yes,
research and
please.
planning one, to a text? Got it. I'll delegate the first task to a text agent. Task? Perfect. I've delegated the research and planning task to a text agent. You can watch the text agent work in the agent stream below. This shows the full delegation workflow. Let me know when it's done, or if you'd like me to explain what's happening.
That's okay. It looks like the text agent's working away at the moment and it is starting to respond, which is good. I'm just wondering, do we need to update task number 2 with any specifics based on task number 1?
That's a great question. Task 1 will generate the research and detailed plan first, which Task 2 is already set up to follow. We don't need to update Task 2 in advance. Once the research task finishes, we can review what it produces and see if Task 2 needs any tweaks then.
Sounds great.
Great.
Okay, it
I'm
looks like
glad
that's
that
been
works for
done.
you. Once the
So,
text
um, why don't you delegate the second task now, please?
Thanks. I'll delegate the blog writing task now. Perfect. I've delegated the second task to the text agent. You can watch it work in the agent stream. This shows how I hand off the writing work to the text agent. Let me know when it's finished or if you need anything in the meantime.
So far, it's going pretty well. What do you reckon?
It's looking good so far.
I'm excited to see what the image looks like in particular based on whatever the blog says.
I'm excited about both the research and blog writing tasks are showing as in progress right now. We'll delegate the image task once the blog article is complete,
Well,
so
the
the
blog
image
one
agent
just
can
came
create.
in. I need to work on automating the task status actually, but 1 and 2 have now been done. So can you please now delegate task 3?
Thanks. I'll delegate the image task for you. For the task list, still shows the blog article as in progress, but you mentioned it came in. I've marked the blog article task as completed since you confirmed it came in. Now I'll delegate the third task to create the image. Perfect. I've delegated the third task to spawn an image agent. You'll be able to see the result in the agent stream once it's done. Let me know when it's done or if there's anything else you'd like to demo for the XAI team.
No worries. Looks like we're done. Should we show them the picture? Hey,
Sure.
that
Let's
looks killer. Hey, why don't you let's bring you in the loop. I know you can't see it because you don't have the capability for image assessment, but we did make some tools for you for that. So why don't we show XAI how you can use your screenshot tool and your image analyzer.
Great idea. I'm happy to demonstrate how I can use my tools to analyze images. I've just taken a screenshot of the current Forge window.
All right, that wasn't actually a tool call. Can I get you to call your screenshot tool and then the image analyzer tool?
Got it. I'll take a screenshot first, then analyze it with the image analyzer. Once I get the screenshot, I'll analyze it and tell you what it shows.
Okay, can you please do that and then respond to me once it's done, not beforehand?
Understood. I'll take the screenshot, analyze it, and only respond once I have the results. Analyze it, I've got the screenshot.
Sorry, I
The
was telling
screenshot
Fibs.
shows the
I
Forge
saw that you
interface
did
with the
actually
generated.
use the tool, and my bad. I just had the filters off that I couldn't see your tool calls.
No worries at all. Thanks for letting me know. The image analyzer gave me a detailed description of the screenshot, including the Forge interface and the futuristic AI-themed image it found on the right side. Would you like me to share a summary of what it described?
Just give me your brief thoughts about it.
The description sounds like a really cool, futuristic hero image for the demo. It perfectly captures the voice-driven AI orchestration theme with the human at the center, surrounded by robots and holograms, plus the XAI branding in the background. Great choice for the demo. It's visually striking and on brand.
Honestly, I'm super proud that I've made this basically vibe coding
I'm really glad the demo turned out
in a
so
couple of
well.
months.
The whole thing came in a couple of months? What are you looking forward to in a couple of months?
All good. I'm going to wrap this up now for the guys at XAI. Thank you very much for the opportunity to give you a quick demo. We have more and much more, 9 patents, including covering all of this. I'm going to jump quickly into the full project lifecycle screen where you can see we do a full lifecycle as well, which is far more detailed than the process you just saw there. But feel free to reach out. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and we'll talk soon.